Hello and welcome to the Zeppelin Power Systems facilities here in Achim. I would like to take you on a tour today to our largest service station inside the Power Systems organization. We're talking here about 19,500 square meters in hall facilities and roughly 5,000 square meters in office space. Behind me you see the main building where we are hosting the engineering department, purchasing department, the sales team, the service team and the technical support and the training team as well as the HR department. So why don't you just follow me and we take a tour through our halls.
Hello,
Good morning, Bennett.
Hi.
Good to see you. So here we are at the first station in our company tour today. Here's what we call the new production of the engines. Actually, what we are doing here is we are customizing the engines for their final destination. And I'm happy that Bennett Küchler is today with me to give us an insight in what is happening in the halls here. So Bennett, what are you going to show us?
Hello, my name is Bennett Küchler and I'm responsible for the new engine production. We at Zeppelin Power System know that your applications are individual. So engines must fit your very special needs. That's why we have highly skilled engineers and technicians to design and build customized solutions. And this is where the magic happens. In our production hall, we configured cut engines specifically for your application. Here in this hall, we assemble, for example, gas generator sets for building installation or engines and generators for the ship industry. With our highly qualified team and a passion for details and a high level of quality awareness, we realize every challenge and meet your requirements. In this area, which is over 1,800 square meters, we are packaging containers and engine generator sets. Most of these containers will be used for emergency power supply. With our internal engineering department and our 3D construction, we realize any kind of customer challenge. Do you need a small container or a standard 40 feet container? What kind of power do you need? We will have the solution for you. Hi Thorsten.
Hi Bennett. Thank you, that was quite impressive what you showed us. I hope there was something in it for you. I hope we see us soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, it was a pleasure for me. Thank you, have fun. Bye.
Thank you, take care. So next stop on our tour is the Caterpillar Maintenance and Overhaul Workshop. And I'm happy that Alex Horstman is volunteering today to give us a tour. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning.
What are you going to show us?
Yes, I will show you the Caterpillar workshop here in Achim and have a look. Come with me. So at this area we have a special fuel pump remanufacturer, and if we go on, here is our disassembly area. Here comes the engines after cleaning and washing. Every part will disassembly here and go to the big wash machine and will clean for the first step. We are now here in our assembly area. So we have 6 boxes where we assembly the engines. So I will show you an assembly. So here you see the technicians, they assembly the engine. In this area come everything together. After this, they go to our own test bench.
So Alex, thank you very much for the very impressive snapshot here.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you so much and hope to see you soon.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. At next station, I would like to show you our testbed facilities. Here we typically test the engines after completion in the new build or after the completion of the maintenance, what we just saw. So come on with me and we are going to see Vivian, who's the testbed engineer.
Hi
Hi Vivian.
Welcome to our new test bench.
Thank you. This is Vivian Valura. She's a testbed engineer in our facilities here on the testbed. Vivian, thank you for taking the time, showing us around. What can you show us today?
Yeah, today I will show you the new test bench. It was completed and opened in 2016, and yeah, so this is really state of the art. Here we are in the preparation area. Here we set up the engines for the run, and there we have 4 cells. So in every cell we have connection to electricity, to gas, to diesel, to our cooling and exhaust system. And yeah, the cell number 1 is a special one. Here we have our water break. Here we can test engines up to 4,300 kilowatts. At the test bench we have our own workshop and also a warehouse, so we can react really fast. Follow me to the control room. So we are currently in the control room. Here we can monitor the engine during the run, and we can make adjustments so we can fit the customer requirement. And also all the relevant documentations are created here. In addition to that, we have 5 more test stations and a test station outside as well. You can see it here. We have an exhaust system and all the connections to electricity, etc., as we have it inside. We offer our services for internal and external customers, and I hope I could give you a short overview about how we work. And now back to Thorsten.
Yeah, thank you, Vivian, for giving us a snapshot here. That was pretty cool what you showed us. Once again, thank you for taking the time. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
You're welcome.
So the next station, I would like to slow down a little bit with you. We are coming from the high-speed engine side and we are getting now to the medium-speed side. So let us have a look in the MAK workshop. So same as in our workshop in Hamburg, we are overhauling here engine components of the MAK engines. This starts, for example, from cylinder heads, fuel pumps, fuel injectors, pistons, charge air coolers. Key expertise in the overhaul is, for example, the valve machining and the grinding of the seats, and the machining and the oversized drilling of the oversized seat rings and valve guides on the big bore mill. Not to mention that the overhaul, of course, goes in line according to the official MAK makers guidelines, and certainly under the use of solely genuine spare parts from MAK. The genuine spare parts is actually the right keyword. Next to our MAK workshop, we have here the MAK warehouse where we're stocking all of our genuine spare parts which we receive from Caterpillar. This is starting from the smallest O-ring and going up to the big vibration damper for the M46DF engine. We are aiming here for a spare parts availability of 98% within 24 hours to make this available to our customer all around the world through our spare parts teams in Germany, in Denmark, Russia, and also in Estonia. So here we are in the stock taking for our prime engines. We're carrying here engines for all kinds of applications, no matter if it's for industrial applications, locomotive, electric power engine generation, or for marine applications, either for propulsion or genset applications. So we're carrying here a wide range of engine types and ratings. So we're coming to the end of our tour. But before we finish, I'd like to show you our training room here, where we're doing internal trainings for our service technicians, but also customer trainings for all kinds of courses here. For example, alarm and monitoring system courses, electric governor courses, and we have all the electric equipment right behind me. So like I said, this brings us to the end of our tour. I hope there was something interesting in it for you today. When next time you are close by in Bremen, don't hesitate to stop by. We would be happy to welcome you here and if you pay us a visit. Thank you, goodbye, and take care.